To create an e-commerce website in easy steps is what I'm going to show you now. Hello, Tommy here. So I'm logged in to hosting here and we need to go, we're going to use the AI website building tool. So we're going to go down here and click on create a website. And to make it easier for the AI website building tool, we're going to select a type of a website which going to be online store. Here I've written a brand name for the site, Daily Deals, and here I've written that I want to create a site that sells t-shirts. So here we just choose online store, and then we simply click on create website. So here is the website that the AI website building tool has created for me, for us. I wrote that I wanted to sell t-shirt on the site, so you can see here unbeatable discounts on trendy t-shirts, and they have added pictures and so on. This website is also mobile friendly and it's in edit mode now. But when you are pleased with how your website looks, you can click on go live. But anyway, if you're not pleased with the site, then you can edit it yourself, or you can run the AI tool again, create something else, or you can ask the AI assistant here if you have any questions. And here they have set up, it has set up different picture about deals and so on. More pictures here and offers. You can link to your products from the images and so on, and also you can add buttons as well. And so if you want to create your own e-commerce store or any type of website in easy step like this, then click the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you like this video and like to see more in the similar content, or in general to make money online. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.